Introduce highlight features or overview summary of FUMIXTEX carbon monoxide detector. There are features include long-lasting performance. Our carbon monoxide detector features a 10-year sensor lifespan, ensuring reliable protection and peace of mind for an extended period, making it a smart investment for your safety. Intuitive test functionality. Equipped with a silent test button, this CO detector allows you to quickly test the functionality of the alarm without the disturbance of loud sounds, ensuring your device is always in optimal working condition. Versatile installation options. Easily install this carbon monoxide alarm using multiple methods. Stand it upright on a table, utilize double-sided adhesive for wall mounting, or secure it with screws included in the package for versatile use in any location. Clear status display. The vivid display screen shows real-time carbon monoxide concentration levels, complemented by a 3-color LED indicator. Red for alarm, yellow for fault or low battery, and green for normal operation, providing clear and immediate visual feedback. Convenient battery replacement. Powered by standard AA batteries, this CO detector features a replaceable battery design, making it easy to find replacements and ensuring your carbon monoxide alarm is always ready when you need it the most. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.